Hello and welcome to the STEM OK Workbench. This video series will help you design, build, and test your robot. In this video, we are going to cover the controller data. That is the information that is transmitted from the controller to the brain. So, let's get started. This is the controller. It is held in the driver's hand and is used to control the robot. This is the brain. It is attached to the robot. As you push the buttons, pull the triggers, and move the joysticks on the controller, that information is sent to the brain. Based on that information, the program in the brain decides how to control the motors and servos. In later videos, we will discuss the control of the motors and servos as well as programming in more detail. For now, let's talk about the signals that come from the controller. There are 3 different types of controls. The first type is the button. Each button has 2 states, press or not pressed. In the brain, these signals are seen as true when the button is pressed, or false when the button is not pressed. Here, we can see the data received by the brain as we press buttons on the controller. When we press the A button, we can see the controller received a true value. And when we release the A button, we can see that the value changed to false. When the B button is pressed, a true value is received, and when released, we get a false value. And the same is true for the X, Y, and all the other buttons. There are 12 buttons on the controller for you to use. They are A, B, X, Y, right joystick, directional pad left, right, up and down, left joystick, right bumper, and left bumper. The next type of control is the trigger. There are 2 of these types of controls, one under each index finger. The brain sees this control as a varying signal. If the trigger is not pulled, the brain sees the value of 0. As the trigger is pulled, the value will raise to the value 100 when it is fully actuated. The number represents how far the trigger is pulled. The last type on control is the joystick. There are 2 joysticks. Each joystick sends 2 signals to the brain. The first signal is the right to left movement, the other is the up and down movement. When the joystick is in the center, the value for both is 0. As the joystick is moved up, the up/down value increases up to 100. As it is moved down, the values decrease to -100. The left to right movement is the same except sideways. When the stick is all the way to the left, the value is -100. As it moves toward the center, the value increases to 0. Continuing from the center, the value increases to 100 as the stick moves all the way to the right. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, have your coach or mentor contact the STEM OK staff.